Thanks for tuning in today and coming along as I film a Cook With Me episode. And today we are making chicken salad. So I'm just here showing all the ingredients that I'm going to use to make my chicken salad. So if you would like to see me make chicken salad, please continue. Have some mayonnaise, black pepper, onion, salt, smoked paprika. It was hiding back there. I have some mirepoix. I'm going to use the onions out of this and some of the celery. I have some chicken breasts in a can. I have some green onions. They're almost gone as far as like the freshness of them. And eggs. And so here I am just opening my can of chicken salad, the can opener of course. And I am going to drain that off camera. Alrighty, so we've drained the juice off of my chunk chicken, and so there's how it looks. Just gonna go ahead and put that chunk chicken into my plastic container here that I'm making my chicken salad in. Scoop that off out of the can. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and break up those really extra large chunks of chicken into smaller, chunks or smaller little pieces because we want our chicken salad to be nice and smooth. I don't know about you guys, but I hate biting into like huge chunks of things in chicken salad. It's just not pleasant. So we're gonna get this all chopped up nice and small. So we're looking pretty good as far as the size of the chicken chunks. And now I'll go ahead and start mixing in some additional ingredients. So first we're going to add in our Duke's mayonnaise. I usually get a big thing of this from Costco just to have on hand. And I like to take it easy. Just getting a couple of dollops here to put into the chicken salad. Like I said, I like to take it easy and not just go overboard with the mayonnaise. See how my consistency is. And then, of course, I can always add a little bit more if needed. So I'm just going to work this into the bowl. Get that mayonnaise. Some people are grossed out by mayonnaise, but I'm not. Next, I'm grabbing some of my mirepoix mix. This is new to me, you guys. I've never seen this mix before, but as stated earlier, I'm just going to use some of the onions in it and some of the celery and get that chopped up really nice to go into my chicken salad. So here I am just raking my celery and onions onto my little mat here so that I can get everything chopped up really good. I don't want any carrots to come out because, of course, in my chicken salad, I'm not going to be using carrots. And here I am beginning to chop up the celery and onions into smaller pieces. And this is a little harder than it looks, you guys. So what I'm about to remember in a minute is going to be my saving grace. But again, at this moment, I was chopping up the celery and onions like that was my only option. But those huge chunks were like impossible to break down, like without having to cut like 5-6 times. So here I am still on the struggle bus. Clearly I haven't done chicken salad in a while, so I was just doing the best I could. All right, so here I am thinking this is not really working. Like these are not as small as I need for them to be. So now I have remembered that I have a food processor, and so I'm just going to go ahead and kind of like pre-chop my green onions just a little bit so that they will fit into the food processor. And then in a moment you'll see me throw everything into that food processor, the green onion, the onion, and the celery. So that's what you guys will see here in a minute. And here it goes. I'm so glad I remembered that I had this little food processor. I don't use it too often, but it's only because I usually buy things pre-chopped. But in this case, again, like I said, I need it for my ingredients to be extra fine and chopped down and really small. So I'm so relieved that I remember that I had this, tool. All right, so here's how we're looking. This is perfection. So fine and just beautiful. This is exactly what I needed. So here I am now just adding my green onion and celery mixture to my chicken salad bowl to get mixed in. So as you all can see, I'm just adding in some fine ground black pepper. I thought I was going to add in some of this Trader Joe's onion salt, but nothing was coming out of the jar. And I totally didn't even realize that the jar was empty. Ah! Oh well. We will move on. One moment. Now I'm doing some pink Himalayan salt in place of that onion salt. Gotta keep the show on the road. Now just adding some smoked paprika to my chicken salad mixture. Next, we're going to go ahead and get the boiled eggs also put into the food processor to chop those up really nice and small and fine, because obviously I'm not going to manually chop them because that's going to take too long. Now, I will kind of pre-cut them into smaller egg chunks, but again, I'm just going to drop those smaller egg chunks into that same food processor. So that's the perfect consistency that I would like for my eggs in this chicken salad. So now I'm going to go ahead and also add that to my chicken salad mixture straight from the food processor. Yeah, let's take that blade out because it's definitely in the way in this instance. We gotta get all of the egg out as much as possible. I love eggs, so. So now that all my ingredients are here together in my bowl, I'm just going to begin the combining process, just mixing everything together with this spoon that I have. And here's just a close-up of me mixing all the ingredients together. So I'm just going to continue to do a series of several different stirs just to get this, all combined. And then I will show you guys the final product. I definitely do recommend to do as much stirring as needed to make sure that all of your chicken is coated and covered by your chicken salad mixture. I don't know about you guys, but just chicken with no mayo and coating on it to bite into a chunk of that in chicken salad is very unpleasant for me. So I definitely try to make sure that everything is coated and nothing is hiding, this uncoated. Just adding on a little bit more smoked paprika here because I love the way that tastes. I did remember, oh yeah, it's missing just a little bit of sugar. So I added a little bit of sugar because to me, that always gives it the kick that it needs. So here's the final product, you guys. My chicken salad. It ended up being so delicious and tasty. If you guys haven't had chicken salad in a while, I recommend make some. It's nice and easy recipe that you can make with not that many ingredients. Here's a close-up of it. And it's just something light and quick that you could put in a sandwich or wraps, pita bread, croissants, or things like that. You can have it on a bed of lettuce and it's really good. So the next day I enjoyed my chicken salad on some bread that I cut out with a cute little circular cutter and some barbecue chips. Thanks so much, you guys, for tuning in to watch a Cook With Me episode. Please remember to give this video a big thumbs up. Please subscribe, and thank you so much for joining me on this chicken salad fixing adventure. All right, you guys, until next time, thank you for watching. Bye.